There's many ways to greet someone in Kirundi, and in this video, I'm going to teach you the basic ways and the most common ways people use greetings. Welcome back to Crafted by AP, aka APTV. In this video, I'm going to teach you the Kirundi greetings. There's many ways Burundians greet each other, so in this video, I'm mainly going to focus on the most common greetings. Let's get started. To say good morning in Kirundi is mwaramutse. Mwaramutse. Repeat after me. Mwaramutse. That is mwaramutse. Mwaramutse. And to respond to that, you will also say the same thing. Mwaramutse. Mwaramutse. That is mwaramutse. Mwaramutse. To greet someone in the afternoon and in the evening, you will say mwiriwe. Mwiriwe. Repeat after me. Mwiriwe. That is mwiriwe. Mwiriwe. And you will pretty much respond the same way. Mwiriwe. To say how are you in Kirundi is amakuru. Amakuru. And the most polite way to do this is add Yahweh at the end. So, amakuru Yahweh. Amakuru Yahweh. Repeat after me. Amakuru Yahweh. Amakuru Yahweh. Amakuru Yahweh. To say I'm fine or I'm good in Kirundi, you will say nimeza. Nimeza. Repeat after me. Nimeza. 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 To add on to that, you can say nimeza chane. Nimeza chane. Meaning I'm doing very well. Nimeza chane. Nimeza chane. Now, to respond to the other person and ask how they're doing, you would ask, na wewe? Na wewe? Na wewe? Meaning, and you? Repeat after me. Na wewe. Many times you will find many Burundians saying nawe instead of na wewe. Nawe. It's pretty much the same thing. You could call it slang if you want, but it means the exact same thing. To ask, are you well? In Kirundi, you will say urakomeye. Urakomeye. Repeat after me. Urakomeye. 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 To ask the same question but in plural form, meaning many people, you will say murakomeye. Murakomeye. It's the same exact word, you just add M at the beginning. Murakomeye. Murakomeye. If somebody asks you, urakomeye, you can respond with yes or no. So in Kirundi, to respond yes is ego. Repeat after me. Ego. Ego. And to say no is oya. Repeat after me. Oya. 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 Thank you is used in many cultures, and it's no different in Kirundi. To say thank you in Kirundi, you will say urakoze. Repeat after me. Urakoze. 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 Now, this is for one person. In plural form, it's murakoze. Murakoze. Repeat after me. Murakoze. Murakoze. As you can see, it's the exact same word, but with the M in the beginning. Murakoze. You can also say thank you very much. And in Kirundi, it's urakoze cyane. Urakoze cyane. Repeat after me. Urakoze cyane. Urakoze cyane. And then in plural form, you would say murakoze cyane with the M in the beginning. Murakoze cyane. Repeat after me. Murakoze cyane. Now, to say goodbye in Kirundi, there's many ways to do this. And like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm going to teach you the most basic and the most common way to say goodbye in Kirundi. The first and most common one is nagasaga. Nagasaga. This just means goodbye, and it's the most widely used in Kirundi. Repeat after me. Nagasaga. 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 The next one is nakagaruka. Nakagaruka. This strictly means I'll see you later. I'll see you back later. Repeat after me. Nakagaruka. Nakagaruka. Meaning I'll be back later. See you later. Last goodbye greeting that you should know in Kirundi is turabonana. Turabonana. This means we'll see each other again. Turabonana. Turabonana. Now, thank you so much for watching. I hope I taught you something today in Kirundi.